Hello, dear friends. I am Sumajish. Today, I have a special topic for you: how to aspire to inspire others. How can you aspire to inspire others? Dear friends, we often lost completely when it comes to the future. Is it right? So, dear friends, we must set a goal. We must have a big vision. If I had nothing, I had a dream. I had a hope that it might happen. So, if you had a vision, if you had a dream, you start, you take a little step to get into that dream so that you must have a vision, you must have a dream, you must set a goal in your life, and you must be very humble and you should execute those visions in terms of aspirations. We have been focused and determined to become more productive in our work. How can you become more productive? Because you have to implement some strategies and plans that would help you with impressive growth and success in your work, in your goal, in your achievements. That is what you have to have a particular strategies for working towards your goal. So dear friends, today what I want to tell you specific about that uh, particular strategy is you have to set a specific time every day for doing your work. You cannot sit and work the whole time on the same things. So you must have a specific time for doing that. Second is identify your productive time. Which is your productive time? Whether it be in the evening, in the morning, in the midnight, where what it is up to you, your choice. But morning is most productive time for many people. In my case, I can tell morning will be the best time for me, and others may be in the evening before sleeping. So this is with people. And third thing is you must be there every day to do some work, complete some task. So put off your procrastinations, be with your work every single day with that particular time, specific time, and your time. You must sit there to work with that particular timetable to achieve your dream goal. And the other point I want to share is that you have to have a big shout out on your dream, because so, as per a big writer says about a big shout out on your dream, you will get more clarity of your dream, and even the thought disentangle themselves when they pass through the lips and the fingertips. So, this is the way you are going to get more clarity about your dream. And also, if you are going to do it, sometimes you feel it is ridiculous because you may be surrounded with pessimistic and negative environment or negative people who will badly judge you about your dream. So you may feel bad about it. That is what you are not going to shout out your dream, you are keeping it in your mind. And if you do it, you can uncover help, because there are people in our society who really would like to help others to achieve their dreams in their life. So if we keep that dream in our mind, others won't be able to know about what is your problem and what is actually you are looking for to achieve in your life. So, dear friends, for that you need to create a vision board. That is very important. So, it is an effective tool for goal setting. So, if you are designed a vision board, you have created your vision board, you are likely to achieve it more easily. So you must have a vision board created, so you can transform your aspiration into artistic, and you can inspire others with your masterpiece, because every time when you see the vision board, you start working towards your goal. That is what you have to have, the vision board. So dear friends, once you become successful in your dream, others is going to ask you how could be able to achieve that dream. Yes, this is what about how can you aspire to inspire others. What are the things you have to do first for achieving your goal, and next you are going to give, or you are going to influence others from your experiences of achieving their dream goal. So, dear friends, always try to aspire to inspire. This is my topic today. So, I hope you got a good message from my topic. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Take care.